in this session, we're going to look at series. That is the sum of any sequence. But in this session, we're going to look at the sum of an arithmetic progression. Okay? I want to show you something. You have this. You agree with me, this is what? An AP, arithmetic progression. You can also call it a sequence. Okay? But if you're going to add them together, this addition change the name to series. So this is series. This is a sequence actually. But this type of sequence is called what? An AP, arithmetic progression. Because it has what? A common difference. Okay? It's a sequence, but this type of sequence can be called what? AP, arithmetic progression. But when you are adding any sequence together, we say such is what? A series. But in this session, we're going to look at what? The summation of what? Arithmetic progression. Which formula are we going to use? We're going to use the sum of an arithmetic progression is n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay? This is the formula. One thing I want you to notice here is this. I can write this now as a plus a. You agree with me, right? This one, what do you see here? That is what? An AP. We can represent this with L. That is the last term. So, either you use this, that is the first term plus the last term, n over 2, or you simply do this. If the last term is not given to you. Let's see. The first and last term of an AP are given to us. If the sum is 814, very good. One, find the number of terms in the AP. What we are saying here is, with the idea that the first and last term is given to us, the first and last term, remember the formula? Okay? So you can see, we are told the sum is 814. The first term is given to us as 79. The last term is minus 5. Okay? Which is equals to this. Which is equals to 74. 1, 3, 7. That is 37n. The Bible says about 37. And therefore, it's equals to 814 over 37. If you divide this, you're going to have 22. Therefore, n is equals to 22. Okay? So it means the total number of terms is 22. What about the common difference? We can find the common difference from where? From any of this, because now we can come here to say this equals to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay? What is the last term? It was given to us minus 5. What was the first term? It was given to us 79. Do we know the last term now? Of course, 22. Now we can find d. So minus 5 equals to 79 plus 21 multiplied by d. Minus 5 minus 79 equals to 21d. If you do this, you're going to have 84 equals to 21d. The Bible says by 21, this equals to 84 over 21. Please remember there's minus here. We have to still retain the minus. If you divide this now, you're going to have 4. So d therefore is equals to minus 4. This is the common difference. Hope you understand this. Thank you for viewing. Look at this question. It says, what is the sum of the first 10 terms of the AP? This. So, you agree with me, we have this. Okay? That is the formula. We are asked to find the first 10 terms, the summation of the first 10 terms. So it means if I put 10 here now, 10 over 2, the first term is 2 for A, multiply by 2, n is still 10 minus 1. The common difference is this minus this. If you look at it very well, if you want to find the common difference, is this 2 over number 1 over 2, which is 5 over 2 minus 2. You agree with me? 5 over 2 minus 2 is equal to 0.5. That is 1 over 2. 3 minus 5 over 2 will still give us 0.5. We can prove that. That is, this is what? 5 over 2. 5 over 2 minus 2 equals to 1 over 2, okay? Also, 3 minus 5 over 2 is also 1 over 2, see? So, it means the common difference is 1 over 2. Here, it's just basic calculation. Or we simply say over 2 here. That is 5, 2, 8 plus 9. This will give us 5, 17 over 2, which will give us this multiplied by this, 85 over 2. You agree with me? This is what? 42 over number 1 over 2. So this is the final answer for what? For the sum of the first 10 items. That is, first 10 terms. Okay? Hope this is understood. Thank you for viewing. Let's look at this. It says, what is the sum of the first 10 terms of an AP whose first term and common difference are minus 1 and 2 respectively? It means the first term is this and the common difference is this. Okay? We are asked for this what? First 10 terms. So we're going to do this as n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Just put out the formula, okay? So n is 10. That is 10 over 2. 2 multiplied by a is minus 1, plus n is still 10 minus 1, d is what? Is 2. That is all. So all we need to do now, this is 5, this is minus 2 plus 9 multiplied by 2. You agree with me? This is 5 minus 2 plus 18, which is 5 multiplied by 16. This is 80. Okay? This is 80. Let's look at this. It says, what is the sum of the first 12 terms of the AP? This. The sum of the first 12 terms. That is to say, n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay? So, the first 12 term, this is n. This is the first term. And the common difference is this minus this. You agree with me? It's going to be 3. So if we substitute here, this is 12. 12 over 2. 2 multiplied by a, which is what? 2 plus n is what? 12. Minus 1. The common difference is 3. Okay? You agree with me? This is 6, 4 plus 11 multiplied by 3, which is actually 6, 4 plus 33. You agree with me? This is 6. This plus this is what? 37. 6 multiplied by 37. You agree with me that this is 2, 2, 2. Okay? 2, 2, 2. Hope this is understood. Thank you for viewing. Let's look at this. This is the first term. The common difference is this minus this. That is 4 over 3 minus 1. You agree with me? Going to have 4 minus 3, which is 1 over 3. Okay? We can further confirm by saying 5 over 3 minus 4 over 3. So it's 1 over 3. So The common difference is 1 over 3. Okay? So now, what is the third term? We simply use this because we are told that it's what? AP. Okay? Please note that this revision, we have done a lot of this. Okay? We are simply reversing. So, that is third term. The first term is 1 plus n is 10. The d is 1 over 3. That is 1 plus 9 multiplied by 1 over 3. 3 here, 1, 3 here, 3. It means, therefore, this is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. So the 10th term is 4. Okay? We are asked to find the sum of terms up to 60 terms. Okay? We put out the formula, okay? What term are we talking about? 16. 16 over 2. The common difference is 1 over 3. Okay? That is 8. This is 32 plus 15 over 1 over 3. Okay? This here 1, this here 5. We have 8, 32 plus 5. This will give us 8 multiplied by 37. What is 8 multiplied by 37? 56. This is the final answer for the sum of the first 60 terms. Okay? All this understood. Thank you for viewing. Let's look at this. It says, in an arithmetic progression, AP, the first term is this. That is A. The sum of the first and the sixth term is 20. That is A plus the sixth term. What is the eighth term? This one is not like first, second, third add together. It's saying the fourth and you have to jump to the sixth one. Therefore, let's represent this one as A. This one is sixth plus 6 as equals to 20, right? We know that this is A, 3 plus this as equal to 20. Therefore, the sixth term is 20 minus 3, which is 17. Okay? Now we have this sixth term, 17. Okay? And the first term we know as what? As 3. This is sixth term. The common difference we don't know. Okay? That's what we are looking for. Therefore, this is 5D, 17. You agree with me if I move this here, 17 minus 3, 5D. This will give us 14, 5D. Divide both sides by 5. You agree with me this equals to 40 over 5. Okay? Now we have D as 40 over 5. We cannot find the eighth term. The eighth term is the first term plus 8 term minus 1D. What is the first term? The first term is 3. This is 7D. And our D is 14 over 5. Okay? Which is 3 plus this multiplied by this will give us 98 over 5. 5 here is 15. Here is plus 98. You agree with me this is equals to 113 over 5, which you can call 22.6. Hope you understand this? From here, we got this, finally, we arrive here. Let's look at this. It says the first term of an AP is 7, and the fourth term is 32. Find the sum of the first 10 term. Okay? The first term, the fourth term, find the sum of the first 10 terms. Okay? That is 7. We don't know D. So let's go and look for D. We already know that this is equals to 32, which is equals to A, and our A is 7, plus N minus 1, which is 4 minus 1, which is 3, multiplied by D. Okay? That is 32 minus 7 equals to 3D. If you subtract these two, you agree with me, you're going to have 25 equals to 3D. Divide both sides by 3, our D is equals to 25 over 3. Okay? Now that we have this, we can go back here now to substitute. That is, this equals to 5 plus 9 multiplied by 25 over 3. 25 over 3. Then we sub this out. That is 14 plus, here 1, here 3. 3 multiplied by this 75. You agree with me? If you solve this now, you're going to have 89. Okay? 5 multiplied by 89 is what? You agree with me? You're going to have 445. That is the sum of the first 10 terms. Okay? Let's look at this. It says the first term of an AP is 3, and the fifth term is 9. Find the number of terms in the progression if the sum is 81. Let's see. The first term, which is this, also equal to A, is 3. The fifth term, which is A plus 5 minus 1, D, is equal to 9. Find the number of terms in the progression if the sum of those terms is 81. You have terms. When you add them together, you have 81. Okay? So we are asking, or the question is asking you to find the n from the sum equation. So the first thing we need to do first is to first of all find D, because we know A. From here now, we know that this is 4D equals to 9. So we know A to be what? To be 3. So 4D is equal to 9 minus 3. 4D is equals to, here we have 6. Divide both sides by 4. You agree with me that D is equals to 2 here is 2. 2 here is 3. 3 over 2. Okay? So we have D now. We also have A. Okay? Now that we know this, we can now evoke this formula that says this over 2, 2A plus N minus 1, D. Now, we are asked to find N. We know the sum to be 81. We don't know N. We know A to be 3. We don't know N. We also know D to be 3 over 2. Okay? So all we need to do now is to what? To work on this. No issue. Therefore, we can come here straight to say N over 2, 6 plus 3 over 2 N minus 3 over 2. Okay? We can continue with this, or we multiply both sides by 2. This by 2, this by 2, so that this and this will cancel to have this. This will be 162. We can work these two out. That is 6 over 1 minus 3 over 2. That is 12 minus 3 equals to 9 over 2. So this equals to N 9 over 2 plus 3 over 2N. We work this out to have 9N over 2 plus 3 over 2N squared, 162. We multiply throughout by 2. That's 162 multiplied by 2 equals to 9N over 2 multiplied by 2 plus 3 over 2N squared multiplied by 2. Okay? You agree with me? This and this will cancel. We have 9N plus 3N squared. You agree with me? This is 3 to 4. Okay? Now we can rearrange everything to have 3N squared plus 9N. Move this to this side to have minus 3 to 4 equal to 0. Okay? So with this now, we can divide throughout by 3. Okay? And you agree with me? This will give us N squared plus 3N minus 108 equals to 0. If you want to do this quadratic equation, you can use 12 and 9. So you can see in this place 12 and 9. 12 and 9. Here, n, then to have this now, you agree with me, you're going to put minus 9 here, which is n minus 9, n plus 12 equals to 0. You agree with me, this is n equals to 9 or n equals to minus 12. There is no way we can have minus 12th term. No. Terms are not in negative. They are always positive. The only possible answer is this n equals to 9. Okay? So according to the question, we are asked to find the number of terms. It means, therefore, the number of terms is 9 terms. 9 terms. Hope this explanation is understood. Thank you for viewing.